Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare tomato soup. Ingredients for tomato soup: 8 number tomato, 1 carrot, small piece of bell pepper, 1 onion, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, around 11 to 12 number of garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, salt to taste, and required ghee. We cut the tomato into pieces. We slice the onion. We peel the skin of garlic cloves, and we cut in round shape the carrot, and we diced the bell pepper. Keep the pan in flame. Add ghee. Going to add the cumin seed. Garlic cloves. Bell pepper, onion, carrot, going to add the tomato, black pepper, so we're going to add the water. Required salt. So we're going to lid this one. So nearly 10 minutes now. We're going to check whether it is cooked or not. Still it's not cooked. So we will leave for 5 more minutes. So we're going to check. It's well cooked now. You can switch off the flame. Let it to cool. Going to filter this one. So because if you're removing the filtrate, at the time it will be cool quickly, because the filtrate itself, it's too hot. So we separated the filtrate and the cooked tomato. So it will not take much time to cool if you are keeping like this. This filtrate don't throw, keep it, we will use. So we're going to grind this one. We are transferring the thing to the blender jar. Transfer everything. We're going to grind this one. So we grinded this one. So we're going to add the grinded one in the filtrate. have to filter this one because there will be seed, so that's why we are filtering. So you have to filter completely. See, the filter should be little bit big holes, so that if you are putting the fine filter, you are not able to filter. You have to use the filter of same type. See, the seeds we have stained completely. So keep the pan in flame. So we have to dissolve the corn flour. It will give the soup the creamy consistency. That's why we are using corn flour. So we're going to add the corn flour. It will give you the glassy consistency also for the soup. Though we have not added any artificial color. If you want, you can add the red color. So we have not added any colors. So we're going to put the sugar. Let it start boiling, then we will switch off the flame. Check the salt. If required, you can add. Going to add small piece of butter. So it started boiling. We're going to switch off the flame. This is enough. Tomato soup from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.